Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see a GoHighLevel review. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one sales, marketing, and CRM platform designed primarily for digital marketing agencies and small businesses. It aims to consolidate multiple tools such as email marketing, SMS campaigns, funnels, appointment, scheduling, and CRM into a single streamlined system. GoHighLevel offers a wide range of tools including CRM, email and SMS marketing, sales funnels, landing pages, appointment scheduling, and automation workflows, reducing the need for multiple software subscriptions. Most plans comes with unlimited contacts, funnels, emails, and automation workflows, and agencies can rebrand the platform, offering it as their own service to clients, which can create additional revenue streams. GoHighLevel is known for its frequent updates and responsiveness to user feedback, punctuality, adding new features and improvements. But new users may find the platform complex due to its extensive features, requiring the time and effort to master. Also, some users report that the interface can be unintuitive and may require improvements for better usability. While support is available, also some users have experienced delays or inconsistent assistance, particularly with complex issues. GoHighLevel offers several pricing tiers. $97 per month, suitable for single businesses. Agency plan, which is around $297 per month, allowing management of multiple client accounts, and Agency Pro plan, approximately $475 per month, includes additional features like white labeling and API access. So, GoHighLevel is a robust platform offering a comprehensive suite for tools and marketing agencies and businesses looking to streamline their operations. Its all-in-one approach can lead to cost savings and increased efficiency. However, potential users should be prepared for a learning curve and assess whether the platform's extensive features align with their specific needs. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.